Welcome to the first episode of Kapihan sa Kamaya. This is your host, SD John.
SMJC,
Yeah. Real talk,
Real Estate.
real life,
Tara, kape muna.
kape muna. So ngayon, we are here at UCC.
Oh,
Here
Kape, no? Ganda na
at
ambience.
Kamaya Coast. This is our first ever episode.
Malaya mo yan.
First episode.
Magkakaroon tayo nito, boss.
Yes, after 10 years of selling Kamaya Coast. So one of the reason is we want to educate not only the new investors but also the existing
Clients natin. And
Clients.
clients ng iba.
clients na iba.
Baka
So, if you
naghanap
have
sila ng ano.
Any concern regarding Kamaya, maybe we can help you. All you have to do is DM us or send us a direct message or comment. Kung hindi namin masagot, we can give you the numbers or kung sino yung mga dapat kausapin from other departments. We already have existing HOAs, or we can also redirect you to your old agents, or kasi marami tayong agents dito, di ba? So yun, so, that's one of the reason why we're doing this as a service
Game.
to everyone.
Yes.
Let's go.